My name is Marianne Affeton and I'm founder and CEO of Tourbookers. Tourbookers is a unique online platform that offers experiences and tours for travelers that they're visiting Seychelles and giving the possibilities to experience the unique culture and nature and beauty of this country.
My name is Felicitas and I'm founder and CEO of Tourbookers. We have been active since 2017 and are in the meantime the biggest online booking platform for the Seychelles with more than 400 tours of local tour providers that they are selling their experiences to the tourists worldwide. For us it's very important that we promote our goals of sustainability in two ways, because first, we have a lot of tour providers that do eco-friendly, sustainable tours, and tourists booking over our platform can experience these tours. And secondly, for us, it's very important to also give something back to the community and enable the local tour providers, especially small and medium businesses, to make a living and to actually create some income for them. So it's not only sustainability in an eco-friendly sense, but also sustainability in the sense of support for the local economy.
We want to give to every tourist outside the possibility to experience what we have been experiencing here from the first time coming to Seychelles, and also having this strong bond as we had with that country.
Open Ocean project, how did it start?
Yeah, actually through the very difficult corona situation worldwide, of course here in Seychelles lots of the small suppliers suffer as well. And as we're working directly with the small tour providers, of course we got all that messages where everyone was basically complaining we need to do something for them. We feel so really attached to all these people here that we couldn't let it be like this. And then
we always had the idea of combining a project of tourism, culture, the ocean of course, because a lot of activities here just center around the ocean itself and the water. And that was just the best chance to actually start something, because there was also a lot of support from the local government. And we always had the idea that we would have a swimming event between Mahe and Le Dic, and promote the experiences here and also our suppliers, and also put that in the framework of sustainability and bring everything basically together. So just the problem was to find this kind of person who actually can do that, because it's 52 kilometers direct distance between the islands, and I guess there are not a lot of people.
No, there are not a lot of people. And what also was our message that we wanted to transport to all these people: impossible is nothing. Even in this situation, in such a difficult situation worldwide, we wanted to show them that if you manage to swim the distance between Mahe and Le Dic, we're going to manage this pandemic. So there is a hope, and this is what we wanted to transport also with events like this, in situations like this. It really fits perfect to the situation that we are in the moment worldwide.
Yeah, and then I remember one Sunday morning, Mariana sent me a WhatsApp and said, I found the guy. And I'm like, André Wirsig, what is he doing? And I was then reading the news and seeing live that he swam from St. Peter-Ording to Helgoland, this offshore German island, and I thought, like, 51 kilometers? Is that like a typo or whatever? No, it's really okay. So it was a perfect match also to the distance here in the Seychelles, and then we decided to just give it a try and contact him.
And it was very emotional, because we knew this is it. If you found it sometimes in life, a situation like this, this is it. This is the perfect person that fits and fulfill all the criteria.
Yeah, because of the value, sustainability and so on. We of course did some research before, and then we didn't even expect an answer that soon, but the day after he has arrived in Helgoland, we got the response, and we were kind of like proposing to catch up because of our project, and we thought it would be a good idea to meet, and he said, yeah, okay, let's do that, and I will also bring my good friend Frank Otto. And we're like, this Frank Otto? Sure? Yeah. We couldn't really believe it, and then all of a sudden we had this call. We met a couple of weeks later in Munich, we planned the trip, proposed it to the government, and here we are, 2 months later.